Welcome to Walden Web Design Video Tutorials, made to help make your content management system experience as easy as possible. Today I'm going to show you how to create an ad and place it on the website. We have ads integrated throughout the website for you to utilize to monetize your site. There are two here on the home page if you would like to keep those there. And then you have a general sidebar throughout the site. This is what the general sidebar looks like. It's the e-new sign up, testimonials box, a link to the Argenta Arts District site, and then a scrolling widget with what's going on. That's the news. Those are these posts right here. But on the commercial real estate, you could have featured listings that are different than the ones on your residential page, that are different than the ones on your home page. So I'm going to show you how to maximize that to your benefit. First things first, you're going to log into the site. Once you're logged in, we'll see the dashboard here. First, we're going to go to open up a Word document. After logged in, we're going to use this to edit the code. I've got one opened up here because I'm working on a Mac. Then you got to make sure you have your user guide opened up that I've created for you. And I've got that PDF open right here. And you see here we've got insert or changing ads. What you're going to do is you're going to grab this code. You see it says copy the code below. And that's this right here. I'm going to highlight that, Control C, or right click and copy. And then I'm going to go to the open Word document that I've got open and paste that in. Okay, and we're going to come back and edit it here in just a second. First, what you're going to do is get the website address of where you're going to be, where the ad is going to be linked to. So we're going to just assume that it is an ad for Argenta Arts District. So the first hyperlink in here, this first box, is where once the ad is clicked, what website they'll go to. So we're just going to go in here and highlight in between those two quotes. Zoom in here a little bit so you can see it. And you got to make sure you leave in type in http://www.argentaaartsdistrict.org. Okay, so that's one piece down of the three things we need to do. Next, we need our image, and that is going to be this second hyperlink here, right there. Okay, and so, but we have to, this actually isn't it, we're going to have to upload the image that presumably we've received from our advertiser, but we need to make it 120 pixels by 120 pixels. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a free service called Picnik, picnik.com, and I've got that opened up right here. Let's just grab a photo real fast to use. Let's go in here and why don't we use this one of the Arkansas Queen. Okay, alright, so here we've got a photo that's bigger than 125, so we need to resize it. Okay, so what we're going to need to do is we need to make sure that the smaller of the dimensions is 125 first. Okay, so now we're 125 high, and see there it's 200 wide. And next, we're going to click OK. And next, we're going to click Crop. And because we know we're 125 high, we're going to just type in 125. We've got our square. So now I can grab it and adjust it however I want it. I'm going to do it kind of right there so you can still see the Arkansas Queen. And then click and it crops it for me. Okay, now we're going to click Save and Share. Give it a title I can remember. Arkansas Queen. Got our dimensions here, so we know it's right. Leave it as JPEG, leave the compression as fine, and then just click Save Photo. I'm going to save it to the desktop so that I know right where it is, and I've already got one, so I'm going to replace it. Okay, so now we've got our photo on our hard drive in the right size. Now we've got to upload it to our site, so we're going to click on Add New under Media, select Files, and right here in the desktop, we're going to click Arkansas Queen, or wherever you've saved your file, go grab it. Okay, and then it's going to give us, right here where it says File URL, In that gray box, that's where the file is located on the web. We're going to grab that, Control-C, highlight it all, hit Control-C, go back to our Word document, grab this second one. If you get mixed up, remember that IMG SRC, that means image source. So that's the one we're going to highlight. Let me zoom out a little bit so we'll make sure we're grabbing all of it. We're going to grab in between the two quotes right there. Okay, so just delete that out. We should have two quotes on either side of our cursor, and then Control-V. Okay, now our image is in place. Last bit is the title. So this red part right here that I've created for you, I made it red so you can see it easily. That's the title. So we're going to go Arkansas Queen. Okay, now you're going to go back, highlight it all again, Control-C, go back to WordPress. We're going to go back to Widgets, which is under Appearance. Go to our wherever we want to put it. Right now I'm going to put it on the home page. So I've got my home page sidebar, and then I click the featured sponsors. And I'm going to click anywhere. This is the sidebar on the left. This is the sidebar on the right. I'm going to put it on the left. You can click in here. Anywhere in the box, hit Control-A, and then delete, and then hit Control-V or right-click and paste to paste the code that you just created. And then you're just going to click Save. And now I'll show you, we'll refresh the page. And there we've got Arkansas Queen, and if we click on it, it's going to send us to the Argenta Arts District website. Okay, now if you wanted this somewhere else, let's say you created this listing for a commercial real estate listing. We're going to go all the way down here, find our commercial real estate page right there. We've got our ad squares, see it says featured properties. Right now we've got it set to 4, we can do as many as 8 if we wanted. See, now that gives me 8 boxes. And if I were to go to commercial, you could see what it looks like if you have 8 featured listings right there. If you're charging for those, that's a quick way to monetize the site. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to put it back on 4. That's what we had it as. And I'm just going to click the top left one, say that's delete. I'm sorry, I did Control-A to highlight all that, clicked inside the box and hit Control-A and deleted. Now Control-V, paste that code I created, save, and then if we go back to commercial, refresh the page, there we go. We've got our ad again. So all you got to do is change out those URLs in the title, and that will give you an ad that you can place on your site. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or give me a call. Thanks.